While the data will continue to give us clues about the health of the economy, corporate earnings reports will show us the impact of winter, but they could also provide some insight into the future. Dominic Chu takes a look.
The winter chill is giving way to warmer spring weather, and that means the economy may be starting to heat up. Over the last few months, the numbers haven't been great. Questions have come up about the housing recovery, consumer spending, and even corporate profits, just to name a few. After all, if it's too cold and snowy, home builders aren't breaking ground on new homes, consumers are having a hard time getting to malls, and as a result, many companies see a drop-off in business. That all means lower profits. But it's not all doom and gloom.
For the small number of earnings we've already gotten year to date, for the first quarter, we have seen revenues not doing as well as people might have hoped. But I do think some of that's due to the weather. And there's no reason to expect that that'll be sustained as we move forward because all the other fundamentals are in place for the U.S. economy to do quite well.
If that is the case and the bad weather effects are a temporary phenomenon, that means this winter could just be a speed bump on the road to a more robust economic recovery. And a better economy means better profits.
At the end of the day, there are earnings, we do have an expanding economy, and we do have improving macroeconomic numbers here in the United States, which tend to support the story that earnings should continue to grow. Keep in mind, cash on balance sheets has never been this high. Corporate America has never been in better shape.
A key part of the earnings story will lie with the American consumer. That's because the bulk of the U.S. economy is driven by consumer spending. For that reason, some money managers are investing in stocks that capitalize on that spending theme.
The two stocks that I like in that environment and the environment we're going to see for the next couple of months are Macy's and Target.
So it comes down to this. If consumers get out and spend all that money they didn't spend during the winter, it could bode well for corporate earnings in the coming months. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chu.